Hello, I'm Suraj Raju, Director of Training at St. John, South Africa. I've been with the organization since 2006, and alongside my colleagues, we are dedicated to our mission of caring for those in our communities who need it most.
St. John's is a long-standing charity with a history dating back almost 1,000 years, operating in over 40 countries. In South Africa, they've been serving communities for 140 years, offering vital first aid, home care and eye care services. From the classrooms to the eye clinics, professionalism and a people-first attitude is their priority.
At St. John, we're guided by our core values: respect, unselfishness, excellence, openness and transparency, devotion, togetherness, diversity and inclusiveness, and faithfulness. These values are prominently displayed at all our centers, serving as a reminder of what we stand for.
While they have a rich history, they are also looking towards the future. They have partnered with New Leaf Technologies to bring their first aid course online, making it accessible and effective for learners across the country.
New Leaf Technology is like the backbone of our training initiatives. They bring to the table a wealth of expertise in online learning platforms, which allows us to offer cutting-edge e-learning solutions to our trainees. Their platform ensures that our online content remains not just informative but also engaging and interactive, whether it's creating user-friendly interfaces or incorporating gamification elements to boost learner engagement. New Leaf Technology helps us to stay at the forefront of educational technology. New Leaf Technology's prompt and efficient customer service is invaluable. Whenever our learners encounter technical issues or need assistance navigating the platform, New Leaf Technology is there to provide support. This ensures that our trainees can focus on learning without interruptions, leading to a smoother and more enjoyable learning experience overall.
Partnering with St. John's is a point of pride for us at New Leaf Technologies to transform its training methodologies, offering comprehensive e-learning solutions through an advanced online platform. This partnership ensures that our online content is not only informative but also engaging, employing diverse multimedia elements, empowering individuals with life-saving skills. This resonates deeply with us. Together, we're not just delivering training, we're making a meaningful impact on communities by equipping people with the knowledge and skills they need to save lives.
We recognize that the world is constantly changing, and first aid will always be a necessary and life-saving skill. It is our duty to educate those in need and provide them with invaluable skills and care. To enhance our training programs, we have sought partnerships with relevant stakeholders to bolster our credibility and strengthen our impact. One such partnership is with New Leaf Technologies, a like-minded company committed to making a positive contribution to the development of our people. By collaborating with such partners, we can further enhance our training initiatives and reach a wider audience.
We can say partnering with St. John's isn't just about business, it's about making a difference, and that's something we're truly proud of.